Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 29th, 2022. I'm going to do a video on Teladoc today, and you guys can already see recently that the stock fell 40%, and I'm here to tell you, don't follow anybody that's telling you come in and buy these dips on these stocks. Just because it falls 40% doesn't mean that it's a buy now. So don't come in and listen to these other YouTubers out here that's telling you to come in and buy these dips, because in the next 5 years, you're going to be filthy rich because you bought it on the low. I'm going to show you from the chart's perspective that there's a reason why the stock fell 40% recently. It's the reason why this market is collapsing in its value. Yes. So welcome to my channel. I'm going to break it down in a simplistic fashion to give you all the heads up as to how to know when to get in, when to get out, when to come in and purchase, and when not to. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm going to keep it real. I'm not here to give you a whole lot of fluff, FUD, FOMO, give you all of the mantras that these YouTubers got you all listening to come in and continue to buy these dips, because those who have been buying the dip in Teladoc, it's not looking good, is it? No, it's not. And the market the whole time has been telling you not to come in and buy these dips, especially if you're trying to be a long-term holder. All right. So check this out. Look at this. Look at the screen in front of you right now. You telling me that this is a bullish stock right now? Teladoc is broken. And I'm going to show you why you don't want to come in and buy dips. This market in Teladoc is emphatically broken. It's no longer a buyer's market. It's a dead market. This market is not anticipated to do a bullish move like it did here. It's not anticipated to do that anytime soon. Don't expect to see this anytime soon. That's over. That is done with. The market had its run. It was a fantastic run on a short period of time. I mean, you got people out here on YouTube telling you to come in and buy these stocks 4, 5, 10, 15 years. Like, what in the world are you talking about? This stock went from, let's say, January 2019, right? Let's go from January 2019 all the way to the high, which is right here, February 18th, 2021. So 2 years, 2 years, not 5, not 10, not 15, 2 years. That was all. 2 years. You could have gotten 560% out the market. So why do they give you a time frame? Because it gives them enough time to try to be right. They want to be correct in their stock predictions and their forecast that the market's going to be a lot more valuable than what it is then. Well, it only took 2 years for you to grab 560% out of this stock. Why didn't you do it? Why are you holding it for 5 years for again? This was monumental. This was fantastic. If you can get 560% out the market in 2 years, that is better than you holding for 5. You don't want to keep your money locked up for long periods of time because you keep it susceptible to being robbed. The market is not meant for you to hold stocks for the extreme long term. Now, yes, there are other markets that people value, meaning Apple, Google, Tesla right now, but they're not meant to be held forever. No. There are stocks that go up, but those stocks that go up continually 5, 10, 15 years, those are the ones that the big players are keeping on their portfolios. That's it. They're not selling those stocks. Those are the ones that are in hedge funds and portfolios and pensions for states and cities. But Teladoc and many other stocks that are crashing, that are definitely collapsing, are not those stocks that are in those hedge funds, those financial institution portfolios and pensions and IRAs. They're not in there. This market is emphatically broken in Teladoc. This market has already seen from the high of February 2021 to where we traded at just a couple of days ago. Look at that, 89% down. Now, this market in Teladoc, man, I can't believe the videos that people create. We cannot expect the market price in Teladoc to go up until we see some buying come in. Okay, Anticipation is for us to continue to see the weakness into the market in Teladoc. That's it. And I know that a lot of people was hailing Cathie Woods as, being a forward thinker, forward seeker, who kind of understood how to play stocks. She did play it right in 2019, 2020, 2021. But now it doesn't look as if she really grasped how fast these stocks could go down, does it? So look at this. This is where we need to know whether or not the market in Teladoc is actually a buy or a sell, okay? Right around here. Okay, this is the lid. This is where the sellers are now dominating this stock's price. We cannot be bullish into the market until we see market trade above that line. We cannot be bullish until we see it happen. And then, like I'm foretelling, I'm trying to foresee and give you all the heads up that it doesn't look like this is going to occur. Why do I say that? Well, look at all this volume that came in right here on this 5-day price bar, April 28th. This high volume represents like people like Cathie Woods selling her position out. Somebody with a massive bag of Teladoc came through and sold. And it traded the price below that line that I've just created. That's how I know that don't expect the market price in Teladoc to go up anytime soon. We broke a massive trend. The market back here, it was used as a lid. The buyers were buying the market in Teladoc during this time period. And they rolled the market all the way up here to highs, selling as price went up. And then they took off the rest just a couple of days ago. Understand, the market is not in a position to lose. They're not trying to lose. So those who sold all of this volume here in Teladoc, best believe that they got out with some profitability. Now, it may not be 560% when the market was at all-time highs, but best believe that those who understand these markets, they didn't lose. All this volume represent that somebody is completely out of their Teladoc stake. They don't want it anymore because the market is now dead. It's not live. It's not a buyer's market. Nobody is willing to hold this stock anymore. So why would you want to? Now, obviously the market is weak. Okay. I'm not looking for the stock to go up because I got that lid right there around $39, $40. Okay. We can anticipate that the price is going to continue to go down. Now, seeing that we are now trading to the points to where we started back in 2015. Where do you think the market's going to go next? Well, the first area is going to be here around $27 and like 25 cents. That's the first area. I would say around like 28 to like 26. Okay. But definitely, let me go ahead and drop this on the chart because I'm going to expect the market weakness to continue. We're not done yet. Okay, we're not done. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring up the area of restriction just a little bit higher because I want us to have enough cushion to not be tricked and fooled into thinking that Teladoc is still a buy, that the market is going to be bullish and that we're going to see the market go up. That first level that I told you all was around 28. That gives us what, 16% movement to the downside. Okay. And then the second price target is around 27.50 to like 26. So I'll bring it down to 26. Okay. That's 22% movement to the downside. Now, given that we are in a bearish market in Teladoc, we can see this market come all the way down eventually to 20, even towards all-time lows in the long term. I mean, we look at this from the monthly perspective. That's massively weak right there. So that's it. I'm done. I want you all to go ahead and give me a quick comment about what is your price target, your price prediction into the market in Teladoc. Where do you think the market is headed real quick, okay? You guys can see what I'm thinking the market is going to do. And now it's your turn to go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.